Hey, Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'm happy to introduce our new Delta Force cooler intake for the 2012 through 2014 Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. Now these new Delta Force cooler intakes have a black powder coated heat shield, reinforced silicone couplers, all stainless steel hardware, and all systems feature an ultra trick looking durable cross-linked polyethylene intake tube with a nice Flowmaster logo right in the center. Along with the large high flow conical shaped filter, it's an 8-layer cotton gauze air filter ensuring that it will trap more dust and dirt particles than your typical 6-layer filter. Now, this is a 100% direct bolt onto the vehicle, and it's backed up by a lifetime limited warranty, protecting your investment and giving you peace of mind. Now, the tools for the job are pair of scissors, 5/16 nut driver, 1/4 inch Allen key, 5/32 Allen key, 1/4 inch drive ratchet, 1/4 inch drive 5/32 socket. All Flowmaster products are dyno tuned during the development phases for maximum power gains and efficiency. How about you? But I'm ready to get this installed in this Ford F-150 here. Okay, today we're in the shop. We got a 2012 Ford F-150 equipped with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. We're gonna get this old airbox assembly off and put on the new Delta Force cooler intake. So let's get started. First, we're gonna go ahead and disconnect the sensor, loosen up the clamp here, loosen up this clamp, and then there's a third clamp down below right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and unclip this lid, and we're gonna pull this section off as one unit. Okay, we're gonna push down on the pigtail here for the sensor. Just pull it right off. Okay, we'll loosen up this clamp. Then we're gonna loosen up this one. Now we'll go ahead and loosen up this clamp. Okay, we'll unclip the lid. And there's a third one back here. Okay, we'll go ahead and disconnect these hoses. Then we'll go ahead and pull this bottom one up. And we'll hinge this up, pull it out as one unit. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and pull the air filter out. Okay, we got this old airbox lid and tube off. We're going to go ahead and reuse only one part on this, which is going to be the sensor right here. And then we're going to go ahead and assemble the new Delta Force cooler intake. We're first going to start off with the new lid / heat shield here. And we're going to go ahead and install the air filter adapter on first. This is going to go on the inside. And then here on the back, we're going to go ahead and line up the 3 holes. And then we're going to, with the supplied hardware, we're going to go ahead and put the bolt with the flat washer and the lock washer and bolt this down. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the heat shield trim. Now this may come in excess length, so you may need to trim it to fit your heat shield. So we're going to go ahead and start right here and work our way all the way around. Okay. All right, next we're going to go ahead and put on the adhesive trim. This goes on the bottom of the lid right here. You have to cut this into 4 different sections to put on your heat shield. We'll flip it upside down. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the filter on. We're going to flip this upside down. And put this filter on. Turn it back around. Now we'll go ahead and tighten this down. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and remove the sensor from the factory airbox lid. Just going to pull straight up. Okay, next on this factory sensor, we're going to go ahead and remove the factory O-ring. We're just going to kind of just peel it off. And now we're going to go ahead and put in the grommet now on the intake tube. And now we'll go ahead and put in the sensor. And then with supplied hardware, we'll go ahead and install the screw. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the anodized plug in this port right here. This intake tube is used for other vehicles. So some vehicles may have a vacuum fitting that goes there, but on this particular vehicle, we're going to go ahead and put the plug in. Go ahead and tighten it up. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put on the reinforced couplers. Now you want to leave these clamps loose so you allow for some adjustment. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and put the heat shield in the vehicle. We'll hinge it here in the back and drop it straight down. Now there's 3 latching clips. You're going to go ahead and remove the center clip, and then you go ahead and latch it down with the 2 outside clips. Okay, next we'll go ahead and install the intake tube. We'll go ahead and put on the heat shield side first. Then we'll go ahead and connect this bottom one. And then we'll go ahead and connect this top tube. Okay, we've got the top tube in now. Now we'll go ahead and tighten up the clamps. Next, we want to make sure this coupler pushed up against the heat shield. And we'll go ahead and tighten it down. Now go ahead and tighten down the clamp to the intake tube. Okay, the bottom coupler, we're going to push it up until it hits the stop on the tube. And we'll go ahead and tighten this one up. And then we'll go ahead and tighten up the coupler to the intake tube. Okay, we'll go ahead and reconnect the sensor. Okay, that concludes our installation here on our new Delta Force cold air intake for the 2012 through 2014 Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost motor. Now, the installation time on this is roughly about 45 minutes to an hour. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.